Hi, I'm Candy Sherwin. This tutorial is for a dance by Rick Dominguez called Must Be the Country. It is a high improver dance, 32 counts, 1 restart, 4 walls, and that's Scully, that's my dog, and he's been here for 11 years of these videos, but he's usually in the other room, and this time he didn't want to leave, so we're going to leave him here, and I don't know how long he'll last, but we'll find out. So here we go. Starting on that right foot, you're going to take 3 steps forward. Right, left, right. Kick your left to a coaster step. Back, together, forward. You're weighted on your left. Step on your right. Do a half turn over your left shoulder to 6 o'clock, and all your weight is on your left. With the counts, we have walking on 1, 2, 3, kick 4, coaster 5 and 6, forward 7, half turn is on 8, you're on your left foot, 6 o'clock. Second count of 8, we're going to do a walk with a lock. Right, as you step on your left, lock your ankles together, take another step, and then another step on your left. This is a sugar push from West Coast Swing. What happens is you bring your right foot in, do a right, left, step back, hitch your left knee towards your left shoulder 1/4, and step. I'll show you that again, and I will be flipping that. So the lock step goes 1, lock, 2, step, 3, forward 4, cut behind, 5 and 6, hit your left, 7, step out and weight left, 8. Turn my back for you on that count so you can see that, the lock and walk. You have right, left, sorry, my bad, right, left, left, back, hitch, and step. And all your weight is on your left foot. How about we put those 2 8s together and get that transition? Starting with the walk, 6, 7, 8. You've got 1, 2, 3, kick 4, coaster 5 and 6, half turn, lock and walk, right, left, do a sugar push, hitch the left, step left. Third count of 8, on the diagonal, you're at your 3 o'clock wall. Take your right foot into a cross rock like a rocking chair. We're going to step forward, right, rock, left, step again on your right. Now, you're going to hitch your left foot over to straighten your body out. Lift it, put the foot down, and then take your heel and do a little heel tap. Let's talk about that with counts. Rocking chair diagonal, right foot goes 1, 2, 3, 4, step 5, hitch 6, over 7, drop 8. One more time, 6, 7, 8. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up 6, down 7, 8. Fourth count of 8, you're at 3 o'clock. Take your right foot, point it out. 1, do a step point, and 2, do a step, and 3, on your right foot, stomp your left foot in. Step back, kick your right, rock back on your right, looking over your right shoulder for styling, and forward on your left. Let's talk about that one. The right foot goes 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, kick 6, rock and recover. Let me turn my back for your, so you can see your feet on that. Point 1, and 2, and 3, stomp, 4, step and kick, 6, rock, recover, 8, which leaves you weighted to start your walk, and that will be your wall. Okay, let's walk through it from the top. 6, 7, 8. You have walk, and kick, coaster back and front, half turn, walk and lock. Go right, left, here's your sugar push, right, left, hitch, rocking chair, corner, right, left, step on your right, hitch your left, 5, 6, stomp, 7, point the right, point, and step, stomp and in, step and kick, rock, recover this wall. We go 1, 2, 3, kick 4, coaster 5 and 6, half turn, lock it out, 1, 2, 3, sugar push, goes right, hitch and lift. We go diagonal, 2, 3, 4, step it up, 6, 7, 8, point 1, point 2, and step and stomp, step and kick, rock, back, and recover. So that gives you 2 walls to practice that at. So there is one restart, and it's pretty easy to hear. It happens during wall 5, and you dance 2 counts of 8, and then restart. So wall 5 is back at 12 o'clock. So let's just walk through that. So we're going to do 2 counts of 8, which is your 1, 2, 3, kick 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7. Now instead of stepping out, which makes it a little easier transition if you could take it here and step it next to this foot, it makes it cleaner to start it again. If you don't, if you step out, it will still work, but you hitch and you step next to it, and then you start, and that will be your second wall. So that happens again at wall 5, dance 2 counts of 8. Okay? So we're going to try this from the top. I'm going to turn my back, have some fun with it. Here we go. Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. Walk. Close your step. Lock. Sugar push hitch. Rock. Hitch it up. Point and step. Kick it out. Start again. 1, 2, 3, kick. Coaster. Lock it out. Hitch. Diagonal. Point and step. Kick it out. Walk and kick. Coaster. Start again. Walk and kick. Coaster turn. Lock it. This is your restart wall. You can hear it. Almost there. Restart, step next to it. Kick. Coaster turn. Lock it out. Stop and touch. Switch. Kick it out. Start again. Hitch again. Do it. It's kind of a quick dance, a lot of fun. I hope you were able to hear the restart. It's pretty easy. Thank you so much for coming here. If you have not subscribed, please do so. And feel free to leave comments and post the video, share the video. Let everybody know that I'm here. I teach regularly for Borderline out in the Los Angeles area. And Scully and I thank you for tuning in. As you can see, he's totally thrilled. So I hope to see you on the dance floor. Thanks a lot.